Guys, so this is going to be a follow-up video to the Vland headlight installation that I did on my 09 Yaris. And to me, I had like concerns from the installation video about if it worked properly, bulbs and everything, but I want to test them out. So this is the running lights, you can see. Now we're going to do the low beam. That's the low beam. Now, if y'all can see, low beam and high beam is on at the same time. And it'll throw an error code, as you can see on my dash. High and low beam popping on. Now, it's not defective or nothing. It's these little things. I'm not sure what they are, but let me show you. Just disconnect them. Now, I'm not sure exactly what these are, resistors, ballast, or whatever, but it makes the headlights malfunction. Now, you notice, once I disconnect them, the high beam comes off. So that's one solution. And you can also see the high beam went off. Now let's put the high beam. This is the high beam. So now it's functioning now. Now also, when you get these headlights, they do not come with a low beam bulb. That's why in the last installation video, you saw that the high and low beam was coming on the same exact lens. And the reason they don't send a low beam bulb is because they want the customer to choose what they want. Here's the daytime running. Now, I did have a defective light, which is the driver's side. While adjusting it, somehow it just pretty much cut through the LED lights wire. So 1, 2, 3, all 3 of those bulbs went out. And also, this one wasn't sealed properly, so it's taking in water. Now, it does come with 1-year warranty, so they are sending me another one. It's supposed to get here this week. Let y'all see that. And in case y'all guys wondering what kind of bulb the low beam use, if y'all could see it. It's a H7 bulb. And that's the kind of plug-in it needs. Now, these are halogen bulbs. They shitty on these headlights. I did order some LEDs, so those will be coming in this week. And I'll be doing a comparison test. I'll let y'all see. So that's a follow-up. See you on the next video. Peace.